Hello. Today we will be presenting with Revolution Insurance Technologies, insurance solutions for employers, PEOs, and associations. With the webinar overview, this will last about 15 minutes. We will send out the recording to all registered people on the line right now. We will have a short 5-minute question and answer session at the end. The goals here are to help provide an understanding of your options in regards for your health care benefits, and then also a high-level understanding of our one-stop solution to make administrating HR solutions easier with our one-source platform. Myself, I'm a 30-year veteran of the insurance industry. I've been living in Colorado for the last 5 years. I specialize in the communication and education of benefits and have worked with several carriers to do this with their sales organizations. About Revolution Insurance Technology, we're a technology provider that delivers really simplified insurance enrollment solutions for an employer. This starts from 2+ lives, moving as high as we can go in regards to life count. It's a simplified enrollment process. We provide streamlined enrollment, so everything is communicated and educated all across the board the same way for every one of the benefits. Depending if they're the president or if they're the janitor, they will see the same information. This is going to be customizable to your business. We can put your logo on here. We send out manager memos on this. This would go out directly from you to your employees for their enrollment. And also, if there is any life changes throughout the year or new hires, we would push this out to them as well that way. Turnkey, cost-effective. On the process, you'll hear me say this a couple of times. The actual enrollment solution itself, there is no charge in regards to creating a core enrollment for communication and education of your benefits. Our technology was established in 2014, and it helped AIG to communicate to employees of all walks of life in supplemental sales. And what this would be is group filling products that would help offset any type of out-of-pocket for employees. So solutions for groups. Today, employees value benefits and they expect simpler and more convenient solutions for managing their benefits. Everybody carries an iPhone. They want to have access to that. That's one of the solutions of the platform. Regardless of how they pick up their information, whether it's on a smartphone, a tablet, or their PC, they can pull up and see their benefits at any time or even enroll within them. Solution, the single platform for insurance benefits administration and HR, better healthcare decisions by the employees. It's a one-stop solution, means everything's on one platform, easy to understand, and it's also available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A complete insurance offering. We offer health insurance benefits, whether they're fully insured or self-insured, medical, dental, vision, and telemedicine. Life and accident and health. These are all the supplemental benefits that we would put in and customize a platform to fill in the gaps from the employer's benefits that they're offering. In regards to financial, we provide 401ks, IRAs, and mutual funds. And then all our partners are A+ rated carriers and AM Best as well. Online enrollment and benefits administration. So as I said, they can access the information in any way that they choose, whether it's smartphones, tablets, or their PC. On the background, the group platform is designed to bring you and your employees one solution for Ben admin and HR. This will help reduce enrollment time. We can also drive enrollment to see who's actually enrolled, who has not, and we can customize emails to the folks that have not to drive it to completion. It's a simple setup. It's idiot-proof, I like to say, because you can't go forward without making sure all the pieces of information have either been gathered or if they've waived a benefit. And then we collect all the documents securely. We stay compliant year-round, and it's one system for your benefits in HR. For the employees, again, PC, mobile phones, tablets. We're going to eliminate any type of paper forms whatsoever. They can compare their plans side by side and see the cost for a benefit plan per pay period, access real-time updates on an open enrollment progress, and then e-sign any documents that are required. All the documents are stored, and the summaries, the benefits, the coverage in the cloud for the employees to access at any time. It's an easy setup. We set up the portal for you. I push that out. Again, we co-brand it so it does look like your portal as an employer. You receive free training from our support team. We have folks within Austin and our offices that help support you, as well as we will provide branding for the system. But as an administrator of the plan, we provide resources for you from Austin and access to us for any questions you may have through the process. What this will do is it'll gain visibility for you to your employees. We'll increase employee engagement. We'll track the enrollment progress, and again, we can drive this down to special communication to make sure folks that haven't enrolled now do enroll. Employees can reference benefit information year-round, and then also you can notify employees of new documents that either require a review or a signature. Again, this could be a waiver, or maybe you need to update their personal information per year for their emergency contact or their dependent information. And then we provide compensation statements for your employees to review as well after they've picked out their products. As far as staying compliant, we require and review signatures. Again, they do this through either their smart device, PC, or tablets. We also do provide everything you need for ACA compliance all in one place. This is all part of the actual system and the one source for it. The ACA reporting and tracking, this is more applicable to large employers. So again, 50-plus lives is where we have to worry about the reporting and tracking. We have built-in templates to track and measure variable hour employees, and 3 options to measure if your coverage meets affordability standards. Completed, signature-ready 1094-BC and 1095-BC forms, all done. Payroll integration, we can integrate with your payroll. Marketplace, we do have a suite of benefit choices and HR tools to pick from. This is, again, to tailor a benefits and HR program specifically to you being an employer and your employees. So you can take over advantage of 20 services integrations. We do everything from telemedicine, HSAs, HRAs, and FSAs, COBRA, HR policy playbooks, and identity theft programs. As far as your security is concerned in regards to the data, again, cloud-based, but our security system requires a 2-factor authentication when logging in. Any uploaded data is scanned for viruses and malicious programming. We monitor for risk regularly through vulnerability and penetration testing and routine audits to ensure up-to-date best practices. As far as reliability, the data is hosted in multiple regions for high availability and disaster recovery purposes. Servers are located in a virtual private cloud. And then in regards to policies and procedures, our IT employees with access to the platform are all required to pass a background check before they are hired, and then also we complete a monthly security training and procedures testing with those employees. So if anybody wants to send me a question in regards to the platform, I'd be glad to answer that. The question is, what is the cost for the services? Again, if we're providing benefits for you, the actual platform cost is $0. So there is not a PEPM or a per employee per monthly charge that would come to you as an employer. What we do ask, though, is time integration and also testing to make sure that everything is done correct. As we build your portal, we push it out for you to test. Every aspect as an administrator, you're also the administrator on your case, so you would have control of the enrollment as much as the folks in Austin. The next question was, how long does it take to build a case? Right now, depending if we can gather all the information, it will take me 5 business days. So if I have all the documentation, this means plan designs, rates, and applications on the choices that we have. I give it to our IT team. They create the portal, also any type of logos and branding, and then we push this back out to you as a branded employer platform for all your employees. Last question was, will iPhones, Android work? Yes. It doesn't matter what type of smartphone, what type of tablet, or what type of PC that they use. It's all cloud-based. If you have access to the Internet, we can have them enroll and sign all their papers with the e-sig. Any other questions? Okay, so everybody will receive, that's registered, a recording of this, and if you look to the right on this page, you'll see Mark Cuban and Natasha Childers. If you have further information in regards to it, send it to info@revolutioninsure.com or our 800 number, and either I or my internal wholesaler will get back to you, and we'd be glad to talk to you about the platform. Thank you for today and your time.